Hello guys, today I'm going to be trying to find a Grim Reaper in Animal Blocked. So let's go. I need to look around. So I've seen some videos of it. Ow! These are hard stairs.
I'm gonna come for you.
What is that? What is that? I hear it from over here. Okay, no one's over there. Wait, I'll check the shop. Right. I think we're safe. I think we're safe for now. Oh no! That's it! It's it! Run! These are tricky stairs. I juked him. Wait, I need to go and grab something. There it is. I found it. My drawer. It doesn't know I have this. Where is he? Uh-oh. I will get you. Oh no, he's gonna get me. I need to hold up. I fell. It's so slippery. He's over. He looks scary. Ah! He's coming!
I'm gonna get you no matter what. Grand Reaper voice reveal, I'm gonna get you no matter what.
Run! Wait, whoa, that's sick. I know why he had that then.
I'm going
I need to get in. I'm gonna pretend I never got that. I need to. Then I never got that. I think he's coming. I think we're safe. We're safe. We're safe. We're not. Oh no. He's following us. I need to. Off these stairs.
I'm coming.
Ah! No!
I will be following you.
This is creepy.
Wait, there's a stack of money over there.
Huh? Are you joking?
Go get it. Look at the stack of money.
Don't see any. Oh.
Oh, hi.
Hey.
I'm just a normal person.
Nice. This red guy told me there was a money bag around here. I don't know what he's talking about.
Yeah?
I don't know what he's talking about. Like he said, look over there. There's a money bag.
Oh yeah.
Do you know
I
that
don't
guy?
know what this is, but I found. I don't know what this is, but I found this on the ground. I don't know how.
He had that.
Oh.
I'm not trusting you. I'm not trusting you.
Hey.
And this is my blood.
I'm allergic to water, and I'm next to water. I wouldn't.
Push. Oh, I knew it was a Grim Reaper. Oh.
Oh my god.
I need to give him his own business. Huh? Are you back? How? Push! Down! Get down! Get Ah! Oh, I'm drowning! Ah! Don't get out!
Wait, now start to run. Start to run. That's why you have your crank suit on.
I'll get you out. 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 Get up. Get up. Get up.
No, you don't get me out. You pushed me in. You have to go hide so the police can't find you. Because they're already on the lookout for you.
Why are you telling me this? You're supposed to be trying to get me.
You have a crime suit on.
Oh yeah, true. Because I've been in prison for 5 years, but I got out. Oh, I need to hide. So I don't want the police to get me. Oh, but here, this is good. Let me in. He's never gonna know. He's never gonna know.
Now you come check on me to see if I get out.
Oh no. He is him!
Right all along.
He is him! He is the Grim Reaper! That's the Grim Reaper! It's the Grim Reaper! I knew it was him!
God dang it.
I need to leave the code! I need to... Please don't follow me.
Alright, we'll go.